New hires asking the same questions, processes no one updates, workflows that can't be found, and you're the one that everyone goes to. What if everyone just got it? Meet Tango. Just capture your process. Tango turns your clicks and voiceover into a beautiful step-by-step guide with screenshots, text, and annotations. Share it as an interactive walkthrough, link, or PDF. Embed it in your knowledge base or pin it directly inside the tool so your team finds it right when they need it. Simple to create, easy to share, instantly accessible. Built for onboarding, training, software rollouts, support, automation, anywhere processes matter. No manual writing, no integrations needed. Just install the extension and start capturing processes in your flow of work. It's that simple. Stop re-explaining. Let Tango show everyone how.